flat. It's still flat, like there. And then its ratchet is 360. It's a 360. Yeah, yeah, it's 360. So 3 contact points, then still lower. Yeah, nice. But its bit is flat, and I don't think it's really metal. Is it metal, man? Or let me see if it's metal or not. I think it's plastic. Okay, I will really try to shed the okay, I think it's just a plastic, man. It's a plastic. Yeah. I really shave it with my hobby knife right there. But yeah, it's a plastic. So yeah. The metal part is the inside part of this one, which really makes the weight. It's a little bit heavy. Just a little bit. Not really like with the other Beyblade here, which this one's really heavy. This, yeah, a little bit. Okay. So this is Draziel. Yeah. Or it's called also Black Tortoise. But man, I think I will not really make this battle with other other Beyblade X, because maybe it will just broke, man. It will break. And then the last one is which we really anticipate, is your Dragoon. Yeah, that's your Dragoon. It's very nice, man. Very nice. That's why I think I will not really make this with the battle with other Beyblade X. And they call this as Azure Dragoon. Azure Dragon. Azure Dragon. So it's like a blue dragon. Okay? So yeah. And the bit is still flat. And then it's a 460. 460 yellow. Yeah. It's nice. It's good. But yeah, it's not the original one. But it really gives you the nostalgic part, so it's okay. I don't know if I will use this as to battle with other Beyblade X, because I know it's really not a metal. It's just a plastic. But there's also another version of it, which is individual pack. Maybe I will buy that. I will try one of the individual pack. If that individual pack is a metal, then I will buy the rest of the Bakuten Shoot version. So this one, it's a group, or it's 2 pieces, 2 Beyblades in one box. So maybe it's much yeah, it's a little bit cheaper with the individual box. Okay, so yeah, it's nice, it's nostalgic, but it's a little bit disappointing because it's not a metal, it's a plastic. But still, a Beyblade